Hi guys, welcome to Honest, Straightforward Reviews, where you get unbiased and unfunded reviews.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be unboxing the brand new Apple Watch Series 6 that I got today. So here's the box and I'll be unboxing this. Now, the one I've got is the blue with blue case, and I think I got the blue band with it as well. All right, without further ado, let's open this up and see which band I ordered. I'm pretty sure I've got the braided solo loop. So I've got the braided solo loop, but I don't know what the color I got. Forgot. I've got the braided one as well. I've got the Apple Watch SE unboxing with the solo loop, not braided one, just the normal one. That's for $79, $80. Okay, so that's the Apple Watch. Pretty standard. For the last 2 years, they've changed the boxing to that. Okay, so I did get the blue band. Okay, so that's the outside cover. All right, so that's the braided blue one. Let's give this an open. Okay, so it comes with some stuff and also some info. It has a special face to it as well, and these things are metal on this. So this is the more expensive band. That's for, I think it's for like $139 if you just get the band by itself without the other one. Okay, so that's the, let's get this stuff out of the way. So that's the band itself. Now let's have a bit of a look-see at the band, because these bands are brand new with the Apple Watch Series 6. If you've got a 4, it should fit any. I'll give a look to, it's got a nice cloth feel to it, but it's obviously very stretchable. Now I'll have a look at, it's supposed to fit better with the Series 4, 5 and 6 and SE, but I'll fit it and see if it fits the Series 3 as well. I'll do a video on that and show you guys if it's any good on that. All right. Okay, so it feels a bit cheapish. It's not the, so they've changed. It's a cardboard thing. It's a bit different with the SE. You just get a cheap plastic around it. So this is a bit of a cardboardy cutout, whereas last year Series 4 and Series 5 had a bit of a mesh thing that was really soft cloth. Now underneath you just get the same booklets and stuff. I'll include the link for the Series 5 and Series Apple Watch SE at the end of this clip. So if you guys want to look at that and see what has Apple changed. Okay, so all of that is basically the same. Let's get these out of the way and let's get a look at the Apple Watch itself. All right, so that's the Apple Watch. So I've got the blue one. So it should have the different back, because it's got those other sensors for the blood oxygen. Okay, so it's a nice blue. It almost looks black. I'm still out on the blue, like I don't really like it. Let's see if I'm gonna grow into it. Now this is an 11. Let's see if it fits, but no, it doesn't. So I got an 11 according to the paper, but it doesn't fit that well. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, and good luck.